The future of task management looks completely different. Today, I wanted to explore some real-life examples of where productivity AI for task management is heading in the future. So welcome, my name is Francesco D'Alessio. I've been interested in this topic for over 10 years, and it's something that I've been talking about for a fair while, the concept of AI and how you can use it across your day. I want to talk today about task management applications and where I believe the future of those sort of tools belongs in the next sort of 3 to 5 years. In that sort of window of time, things are going to change pretty dramatically. So I wanted to show you first an example of something that came out more recently called Runner H. And there are many of these different tools, these chatbot-like tools that can go and do different things for you in the background. But what I think is a good representation of what I think the interfaces of task management apps will look like, and also the fact that you are making decisions and creativity. So the first thing I want to talk about is that whole interface experience. Now, one thing that we typically do with any to-do list application is move stuff around, organize our priorities, and try and allocate things to other people. Well, that's going to change because the whole value of an interface has become incredibly less important because we're going to be able to chat with our interface and design the things that we need to do in the moment versus have everything present all at once, if that makes sense. And that's going to really change your whole concept of managing tasks. Administrative task management will also become far more redundant because you won't be administrating your tasks. It'll be helping to administrate your tasks in the background, behind the scenes. So that's going to be an important change. And I've talked about this a lot, the fact that productivity apps in their current form will become mindfulness apps as an activity to be reflective or thoughtful about our experiences. And the second thing is that whole management side of things. So per example of Runner H, these applications will go and do errands for you in the background, come back with relevant research insights or maybe workspace documents that you have as a team, then give you 2 skills to work on. The first of those is decision making. Which path are you going to take? Because there are ultimate millions of different options and paths, and decisions are part of that. And creativity. What creative direction are you going to lead this in? Now, those 2 skills are going to be incredibly important with task management because the optionality of success has become far more infinite, which allows you to hone the skills of decision making and creativity and potentially create something very exciting. So you could send your AI agents things to do in the background for you as administrative tasks that you did before, but it's how you respond and the direction you take it that impacts the quality of the work at the end of it and how different people will succeed with task management software. So it's quite an exciting future potentially because you're not only thinking about the thing being done and whether that's the right thing, but you're actually thinking of the direction it's going to take you in. So task management software is going to be very powerful in the future, and the tools that succeed will be the ones that integrate as many different softwares into their tools in one house and also integrate this whole decision and creative direction element. So that's where I think the future of task management's heading. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll be back with another episode shortly, I'm sure. Thanks very much, and if you're in the hunt for any tools like AI tools, then you know where to go, toolfinder.co. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon. Cheerio.